In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail name, how to change that name on your Gmail display. Whether you're looking to update your email display name or you've recently undergone a name change, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Okay? So, if you're tired of seeing your old name pop up every time you send an email, this video is for you. Stay tuned and let's get started. However, before we get started, can you give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos like this in the future. So, let's get started. Okay, now we are here. I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail name. All right, when you're on your Gmail app, what you do is that you click on the icon by the top right of your page. When you click on the icon, you click on manage your Google account. All right, here on your Google account, the particular email you want to change the name there. Like now, mine is Johnmartins. What you're going to do is you click on this personal information. So personal information, and then you scroll down a bit. You will see name. Click on the name, and then click on the edit button here by the side of the name, and then you can change the name here as Johnmartins. I can change my name to John/Martins. Alright, and click save. That's all you need to do. You can as well add your nickname if you want. Okay, so I'm now going to change it back to my name. Yeah. Alright, and save. That's all you need to do to change your Gmail name or the name on your Gmail. Okay, instead of creating new emails, so you just have to change the name on your Gmail address. So it depends on what you want to use it for. So you can easily do that. So if you're finding anything hard here, you can ask me a question on the comments below. Then remember to subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Alright, don't not forget at all, so that you can see more videos from my channels. Okay, then you can also check my previous videos on how to create Gmail accounts without phone number. How to create Gmail accounts without phone number. In that particular video, I actually treated how to create as much emails as you want without phone number at all. So you don't have to go and start looking for new phone numbers for you to have more Gmail address. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time.